What's going on, everybody? It's Sean here, and I'm super excited today to give you guys my review of the upcoming Air Jordan 4 Retro in the cool gray colorway. These are set to drop August 1st for a retail price of $190 US or $255 here in Canada. So the official colorway for the cool gray 4s is cool gray, chrome, dark charcoal, and varsity maize. Originally dropping back in 2004, this was even before I started buying shoes, the legendary cool gray 4s are finally back 15 years later. Though this is not an OG colorway, the cool gray 4s are commonly near the top of many people's lists. So these should be pretty widely available in full family sizing, and if you are in Canada, these will be available at the Closet Inc. So the Closet Inc. is a sneaker boutique located out of Southern Ontario, and they'll definitely be dropping these on August 1st. So be sure to check out their website, their social media, all that stuff. I'll link that down below, and be sure to sign up for their newsletter as well to get exclusive savings in the future. So diving straight into the shoe, the upper of these 4s is constructed using this gray colored nubuck. The quality of this nubuck is pretty average, it's nothing amazing, but it's not bad either. On the mid panel of both the lateral side and the medial side, we have this netting, which isn't actually entirely fused onto the body of the sneaker. These triangular shaped straps or wings, which are typically done in plastic on Jordan 4s. In this case, this is done in nubuck, which kind of elevates it and gives it a bit more of a classy finish. For the bottom 3 eyelets and the top 3 eyelets, we have these sort of plastic crowns, which is done in this smoky but semi-translucent dark charcoal color. As for the laces, so these come with your standard flat style laces in cool gray, and then underneath this we have the tongue, which also features the netting on the bottom half, and then the top has this Jordan brand patch, which has the Jumpman symbol and the flight branding done in white and yellow. On the back side of the tongue, we have this yellow strip which has the Air Jordan branding as well, and if you notice, this is done in upside down fashion, and this is because back in the day people used to flip their tongues outwards, revealing the text on the inside of the shoe for everyone to see. So the inner liner of these Jordan 4s is pretty well padded. This is done in this gray textile, and then taking out the insoles, these come with your standard black colored Jordan brand insole with the Jumpman on the heel in white. As we move on to the back of the shoe, so on the back, instead of your traditional plastic tab, in this case the tab is also done in nubuck, which I much prefer. This is not going to cut up your Achilles anymore. And again, similar to the wings on the side, it sort of elevates it and gives it a bit more of a luxurious finish. This is finished off with this chrome Jumpman as well. So the upper of these cool gray 4s sits atop this foam midsole that's primarily done in white. Underneath the heel, you'll see there's this cutaway that exposes the Nike airsole unit that's found within the midsole, and this is painted in yellow. Turning these guys over to the bottom, here we have your standard Air Jordan 4 outsole. So this is done in a combination of white, varsity maize, and black colored rubber. We have this herringbone traction pattern throughout, and it's finished off with this varsity maize colored Jumpman found in the middle. So in terms of sizing, my feet measures as a true size 10, and I got these in a size 10. I'd recommend sticking true to size unless you have really wide feet, then you might want to go up a half size. But basically, whatever size you typically are in Jordans, I'd recommend getting that for these cool gray 4s. Next up, from a comfort standpoint, so the Jordan 4 is a sneaker from the late 80s, so the cushioning on these is going to be pretty firm and it's not going to be spectacular. So all in all, they're pretty in line with how retro sneakers feel on feet. Last but not least, from a quality standpoint, so while the nubuck upper wasn't anything spectacular, it wasn't bad either. And from an actual craftsmanship point of view, I don't see on my pair that there's any loose stitching or any glue stains or anything like that. So overall, it's a pretty solidly built shoe and I'm pretty satisfied. So with all that out of the way, now let me put these on feet and I'll show you guys how these look. The cool gray 4 is one of the more popular colorways of the Jordan 4 for a good reason. It's probably hard to find someone that absolutely hates this colorway, and I expect these to sell pretty well on August 1st. I personally find this to be a beautiful looking sneaker, the various tones of gray with hits of white and yellow. These to me are just great, and I can't wait to rock these, especially in the upcoming fall season. So let me know in the comment section down below if you have or if you plan to pick up these Cool Grey 4s on August 1st. Once again, if you guys are watching and you're from Canada, these will be available at The Closet Inc. So again, their website, their social media, that stuff will be down below in the description box. If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at esgo8. Check out my Twitter at sean.go and visit my website as well at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this early look at the Cool Grey 4s, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one.